Hello, hi, welcome to Electrical Stuff. Hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to see function of booster pumps and what type of motors used in this booster pump we are going to see. So watch the video till then to understand. Let us understand the functions of booster pump. So what is the function of booster pump? For to understand this one, do you ever think that in our showers and our sinks, kitchen sink or wash basins, the water is coming under pressure? Why this one? Because of the booster pump. So booster pump increase the pressure and volume of the water for the shower heads and kitchen taps. This is the function of the booster pump. Now we are going to see the how booster pump look like. This is how booster pump look like. So in this one we have a one part which is the pump. This part is a pump and another part is the motor. Pump is a mechanical part, motor is an electrical part, we know. So what type of motor used in this booster pump? We required induction motors required, which is asynchronous motors. So particularly in induction motor, what type of motor? Squirrel cage type motors were used for the booster pumps. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Electrical Stuff channel.